Okay, now what I do, this is regarding the potential energy. Now let us come to the kinetic energy. So when the particle is at the point P, the velocity, okay, of the particle, executing SHM will be V is equal to omega root r square minus y square. Well known equation, we already know it. Then what will be its kinetic energy? Kinetic energy, capital K, is equal to half mv square. Half m, in place of v I write here omega root r square minus y square whole square. So capital K should be equal to half m omega square r square minus y square. Look, this is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of the motion will be this. This is the kinetic energy. Now we got kinetic energy, then we can easily find out the total energy. That is not at all a problem. What will be the total energy? Total energy, that is E, should be U plus K. How much? Half m omega square y square plus half m omega square r square minus y square. Then E should be equal to how much? It should be half m omega square r square, because y square will be cancelled. So see the expression for the total energy we got. See all the things we have got, everything we have got. So a very important graph. Okay, I want to draw a graph of, look, I want to draw a graph. It is like this. Here is energies, all energies, kinetic energy, potential energy and total energy. And see, all the energies will be plotted. Look, it is the constant. This constant means this constant only. What is constant in the whole thing? The total energy is constant. See, in total energy, mass is constant, omega is constant, r is also a constant. So it is the total energy. Another one is U-shaped and another is just inverted like this, dome shaped like this. This is capital E. I can mark it the total energy. Better I mark it as total energy. This is the potential energy and this is the kinetic energy. Look, and this is here we take displacement. Look, displacement, maximum displacement here, mean position is here, and see, you can use it here. You can very easily see that this will be the value. Actually these shapes, the practically the potential energy is U-shaped and the kinetic energy. These two graphs are parabolic in nature because this equation and this equation both are representing the equations of parabola. This equation and this equation both are representing the equation of parabola. This cannot represent the equation of parabola because there is no variable in this. All are constants. But here and here, y is the variable. As y changes, k and u both will be changing. Moreover, a very important point, this point is P, this point is P dash. P and P dash are the intersecting points of these two graphs. potential energy graph and kinetic energy graph. Both are intersecting at the points P and P dash. So at P and P dash, what happens? Kinetic energy is equal to the potential energy. अगर मुझे कहा जाए, suppose I just tell you at these points here, let us say this displacement is y dash. Here also you can say this displacement is magnitude wise y dash. Obviously one is positive and another is negative. So suppose at P and P dash the displacement is y dash. At P and P dash, let the displacement is y dash. Then what we can say? In this case, kinetic energy is equal to the potential energy. So U K should be equal to U. K की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? Half m omega square r square minus y dash square is equal to half m omega square y dash square. Half m omega square cancels. R square minus y dash square is equal to only y dash square. So twice y dash square is equal to r square, which implies y dash square is equal to r square by 2. So y dash should be plus minus r by root 2. A very important relation we are getting. You can mark it, you can note it down. You can just note it down. Y dash is equal to plus minus r by root 2. That means at this displacement only the kinetic energy and potential energy will be equal, or you can say half-half. Kinetic energy and potential energy will be half-half of the total energy. 50-50. That also can be said. Very important situation. You can just mark it. I hope all of you have understood these points here. Up to this mark we are keeping, right? This is all about the energy of SHM. In the next class we shall proceed. Thank you.